This is the Iron Trader, TGIF. Now, the pits just closed here, so I have two charts to show you. First is going to be crude, and the second will be natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, or ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Here we have crude, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, before we get started, just remember OPEC is going to have their meeting here on Monday. Now, they also have been cutting since February 70,000 barrels per day on the crude. So we'll have to see if they're going to adjust what their output is going to be, if it's going to stay the same on their plan. So we just have to take a look and listen to what you'll have. I will have all these numbers here at Sunday night after the futures open here at 6 p.m. So you can stop on by. I'll get you the crude oil and the natural gas. Okay, here we are. We have the 8 SMA here sitting at 75.07. That's a very, very key resistant level. And hopefully now that might become support. The next one we want to look here is this 50-day at 75.54 on your daily chart. Then we go over here to your 21 SMA, which is sitting at 77.18. Then you have your 100-day, then you have your 80.94. That's your retest. Now, if you look at what happened here, this is the monthly chart. If you look at that right there, that 8 SMA is sitting at 80.90. That's going to be big resistance. Because if you look at all these candles, they went up, up, up. You still can't get above that. It has to close above this 8 SMA. That's going to be very, very key, along with the other SMAs. Now, support-wise, we're looking here. This 8 days curling up really nice. But you want to look at the 21 at 72.88. And then you want to look here at this 8 SMA here. That's a very key level, too. That's at 72.22. Now, if that's all lost, there's plenty of support here underneath, and then all your big boy support here at 66.36, that's your 200 SMA, and then 65.40, that's your 50 SMA. But right now, this has a very, very good bullish pattern. If you look here on your RSI, you get a lot of room to run. If you look here on your MACD, you had a nice cross, you have a room to run. And then if you look at the nice divergence here, where you had a low here, and then it put in a low there, but then on this, which was a lower low, it put in a higher low. That's always a very good positive sign. Now, if this RSI here can push back up across that median point, then we got a chance to go right back up to that 70 mark, which is always a very bullish. So we got to just see how it plays out. Watch these SMAs. They are very, very key. This is why you trade the support. See where this goes. It goes right in. The key is trading these charts and just reading these charts and looking at the big key levels, especially your 50 and your 200 SMAs. Here we have natural gas, okay? Your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, I've been saying for a long time, see the sideways action, where you could say, okay, that'd be a left shoulder, this would be your head, and this would be your right shoulder. Now, this came down, but it's been holding this 1.967, which is a very, very bullish sign. See where it came down here, and it went to 1.998. Okay, so that is a higher low. Now, if we can make sure that this closes above this 8 SMA, you're sitting at 2.144. That's a very, very good sign. Then the next one here is going to be this 21 at 2.384. You have this key SMA here at 2.452. That's on your weekly chart. And then we can attack that 2.528, the 50-day on your daily chart. Now, what needs to happen is this price needs to go up, and what this 8-day has to go up and cross above that 21-day and of the 50-day. If it can do that, then you will push the price much higher. But watch this key 8 SMA here. This is very, very, very critical here at 2.4552. But Now your channel still intact, 3.027, 1.967. If that's lost, then we can go all the way down to here at 1.44. But you look at natural gas, this is just so low here. And if we start coming into summer, we get a really hot summer, natural gas could have a really, really nice, good run here. So don't have an opinion. Just wait for a catalyst. Do some quick scalps here. I scalped the boil today. I scalped the cold today, KOLD for the short today. But just quick trades in and out until we can get some momentum either to the upside or to the downside. Thanks for watching.